Visit, we used to utilize it. Now I call upon Kaushal to tell about value of time.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Kaushal from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today, speech on value of time. We should let me tell a story. Once there lived a lazy boy in a small town. He was wasting his time and just passing a day. He was in the results he was falling back of his friends, and he was postponing his urgent works also. And once the monk came to his his town, and he want to go to him, and he went to the monk and he asked, I was falling behind of my all works and I'm not able to do my work. And monk said, I'll give a solution by a story. He started telling a story of the once there lived a king, and he was very healthy, and the king was taking of his kingdom very 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 healthy. And he was once the king was roaming around his kingdom, and he the king saw his classmate who was studied with him in Gurukul. And the king said, what about you? The classmate said, I was not in any job. They were not taking about me in any job, and I was keeping in my fault. I'm blaming others, and it was wasting time. The king gave a deal of treasure. If you collect my treasure up to sunset, you can collect up to sunset. If sunset comes, palace gates will close. And he was very happy, and he went to his home and said to his wife that I got a deal by king that I am I got a deal by to collect treasure up to sunset. And the king got sunset. The classmate went to the classmate told his wife, and wife was very happy, and his wife said, go and collect the treasury. And the classmate said, I was very hungry and I want to eat some food. And the wife fastly cooked some food and gave to the king classmate. And the classmate had it, and he felt sleepy, and he went for sleep for 2 hours. And he woke up. He took two bags, and he went fast towards the palace. And when he's going towards the palace, he after some time he felt some tired, and he went under a tree and slept for another 4 hours. And he woke up, and he saw sky. The sun came to set, and he fastly went towards the palace. But he took late. The sunset has been happened, and the palace gates were closed. Monk completed the story and saw the lazy boy, and lazy boy was speechless and can't speak a word. And after the day, the king, the boy was studying well and working on his goals. So we have only little amount of time. So use wisely and producely. Thank you.
Who is the ICC player of the month December 2023? I repeat it again. Who is the player of ICC player of month December 2023? No, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Pat Cummins and Deepthi Sharma. Question for grade 9. Who is the first person to step onto the moon? Neil Armstrong. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Neil Armstrong. Open questions. How many countries are there in this world? Yes, we picked the right answer, and the answer is 195. Let us ask question. Second question. When did Chandrayaan-1 launched? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is October 22, 2008. Thank you.
Grade 6 Jasper. Today I am saying 17 tables. 17 1 17, 17 34, 73 51, 74 68, 75 85, 76 102, 77 190, 79 136, 79 153, 79 170. Thank you.
6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 69, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 196, 16 square 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 361, 19 square 361, 20 square 400. Thank you.
Updating current also is a good habit. Now I call upon Shwesa Dattu and Yashaswini from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Please come forward and analyze current happening around us.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Yashaswini from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Now I am telling about international national news. International news. UK introduced grace period of time for transition of visa system in March 2025. National news. Political erases France. Thank you. Have a nice day.
State and Sports News is brought to you by Shwesa Dattu from Grade-VIII Sapphire. State News. Google is established safety engineering center in Hyderabad. Sports News. Rohit Sharma says India won't stay calm. He is provoked. Thank you.
Inspire and motivate our brain. Now I would like to call upon Karthik to share with us thought of the day.
Thought. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. I'll repeat it again. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success.
What can also change our day? Now I call upon T. Harshavardhan to tell what of the day.
Happy morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. My name is Shiyas. I'm from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today I'm going to say our word splendid. It means beautiful. Friends, please spell after me. Splendid. 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 Thank you.